Oh, I didn't hear you knock. All right, welcome to our insane $23,000 a month Malibu house. Come on in. I thought it'd be interesting to show you what you can get for $23,000 a month and maybe some things that you can do in your own house right now. So coming into the house, we took one of the garages, and this is something that you can do in your own house. We just took the garage, moved everything out, and made it our own home gym. Let's dive in. Well, so this is the garage gym that we just built ourselves. And one of the fun parts about this is that we kind of get like a free show and a free audience of people outside who watch us work out. Surprisingly, it's really motivating to be working out or shirtless and people are honking or people are like, put your clothes back on, you disgust me. And I think this is a really powerful lesson. If you have space you don't like, move it around, change things up. This is the main living room. I will say, so I live in an 800 square foot house normally in Austin, Texas, so it's been amazing to have so much space. One of the best things for me is a view. So wherever you are in your own house, if you can like put up a nicer picture or change what you're looking at, so being able to look out at the ocean while we're working is a game changer. For this room, one of the neat things about it is the mirror. So what they've done in a lot of the rooms, which I like, is that they've hid the TVs. And I think in a lot of American households especially, they love putting the TVs out, so when you come into the house, you kind of just go right to the TV and we all just talk to the TV. So I like that they've kind of kept it out of the way and it's not the main detail. Let's go out to the balcony from the main living room. One of the things that like I weirdly love, I love the sound of the ocean. Hearing it during the day has been really nice. So yeah, we'll have dinners out here. There's a grill over there. Ocean sounds, if you're not by the ocean, just go to Spotify, put on ocean sounds, and it's pretty much the same thing. So this is a Rothko painting. It's actually Rothko's brother. No, I'm just kidding. I have no idea what this painting is. It just looks kind of nice. Coming into the kitchen, I tend to like working at the kitchen table, and I mean, this is honestly ridiculous. Yeah. Let's go check out the fridge. So a few things before I show the fridge. We do drink from time to time. Veuve Clicquot, favorite champagne. Clase Azul, favorite tequila, and then everything else is there. But the fridge, I will say, it's not as organized as I'd like it to be. Lagunitas Hop, non-alcoholic beer, phenomenal. Topo Chico, if you're from Texas or you know about it, you gotta try it. Pretty not as organized as I like. I'm a little embarrassed by it. Let's close this. All right, so now I'm gonna show you some of the guest rooms, my office, and then the master bedroom, which is insane. This is a guest bedroom. Hey, it's Neville.
What a surprise.
I didn't even know you were here.
I didn't even know too.
All right, this is Neville from Copywriting Course. Check him out on YouTube and copywritingcourse.com. This is his office, his room / office, and I've hired him to play guitar for you. We turned this into kind of my office / recording studio. They have a foosball table up here. Kind of turned this into my desk where I'm doing a lot of my calls and my work. I will say it's been really interesting at a high level to think about like what matters and how we like our different environments. I like my environment clean. One thing I have finally had at this house is my own like personal desk at a house. I don't have that where I live normally. And it's made a huge difference. It's like, oh, this is my work area. This is my reading area. This is my like relax area. And so it's nice to have it dedicated. So I'm gonna come do some work. This is the best view. I would say that the best view of Malibu. One of the reasons we want to try Malibu, it's a little quieter, a little bit further away. You can see LA and Santa Monica's over there. It's nice. I mean, it's just nice, dude. I think sometimes also, it's interesting when you have something nice and you just get used to something nice. It is a good thing every day to kind of take a step back and be like, this is fucking amazing. So every morning try to go to the water or just come out here and look outside. This is the master bedroom. But waking up to the view from this every morning is game changer. One of the things I always talk about is make your bed. I didn't say make your bed nice, I just said at least make your bed. So you can see I made my bed. Let me show you my favorite thing in the whole house. It's this room. Home sauna. And if I can, I try to use this at least every day if I get the chance. This is, yeah, it's as nice as it looks. And if you don't sauna, you need a sauna. It's a game changer for life. So in here, you can actually, for about $1,000, add your own steamer. So if you wanna come around, I'll show you. So these steam things, they're actually not, it is money, but it's not super expensive. You can have your own steam room. So then, yeah, a lot of the mornings I'll try to read in bed or read out here. But this has been really nice. They created like a little doggy patch. I'm not sure what you call it. So I'll just come down here in the morning, read. Or yesterday we just Neville and I just sat on the rocks and relaxed. Every day I'm just trying to appreciate it. Like it just feels unreal, like a dream. Yes, this is a ridiculous house and it's a once in a lifetime experience for us. What are the things that you can do for your own house in your own environments, regardless of how much money or where you're living in the world? Number one, how can you create the work environment that's inspiring and easy for you to do? So what does that mean? How do you make it so if you're doing videos, you can just go and have your camera set up and you just hit the button? And secondly, how do you have dedicated space for yourself so that you're saying, this is my work area? And I think that's been really important for having that in the house. Secondly, from having this house, can you get a nicer view? I will tell you, from working at the kitchen table or from working at the office up here, having a view of the ocean or having the sounds of it is a real game changer. So can you get art? Can you move your desk? Or can you just turn on Spotify and play ocean sounds? Two other things I think you can do in your own house that I've really enjoyed is number one, keep your house clean, right? It just feels great when you walk in and there's like not much on the table and you look around all your stuff and you're like, I don't have a lot of stuff, but the stuff I do have, I really love. Another way of looking at it is that this house is about $1,000 a day, give or take. And so how do I create $1,000 in value every day through my business or through the content we're creating? And I will say, like, when you have like a nicer environment, it does elevate your game. I'm not talking about inflating your lifestyle and just spending more money just to spend more money, but are you able to spend money, or can money make your life more enhanced or more fulfilled? And I think so. And having a nicer house, it's definitely been inspiring for me to be here. You also don't need to rent it for a month. Try it out for a day and see if it really does make a difference for you. Maybe it's geographical, maybe it's by the beach, maybe it's in the mountains, maybe it's in a bungalow, whatever that is. Find your own creative space and go get it.